Hi students, it's Michelle. I hope you guys are getting by. I am checking in about library support for SA3 for Dr. Adela. I created a research guide for you guys and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So you can see the steps on the side here. And as you're going through the steps, there's also a button at the bottom of each page. So this first one that says Overview, you are first going to be identifying keywords that you're going to use to search in the library databases. So you're going to do that with your readings for diversity and social justice. The essays you picked, you're going to pull out some of the keywords that they use, and you're going to use those to search in the library databases for information on your topic. Quick reminder before we go to the next step. You have access to library resources 24/7. You're just using your student ID and Canvas login to access them. And you can also submit this Ask a Librarian form if you get stuck and have questions, or you can contact me directly or Eve directly by email. So I'm going to go to the next step down here. The next step is on searching. So you're going to take those keywords that you identified, and this page just reviews what we've learned about basic and advanced search tips. So how to combine those keywords you identified and use them to look for sources in the library databases. I'm moving on to the next step, find sources. On this page, you're going to be watching this OneSearch video, which reviews how to search in OneSearch and how to limit what you find by using those limiters on the left to refine your results. And then if you go down a little bit further, you'll see there's a OneSearch box here, and you can go ahead and start searching. The last step, you're going to share and document your sources. So I'd like you to take the best thing you find, the article or whatever it is that you think is the most useful and the most interesting, and share it with us, with your peers, with myself, with Dr. Adela, using this online form. You can also see what other people have shared down here where it says best sources. And then finally you want to make sure you document your sources, that you have your MLA citation, that you have your notes for your SQE paragraph. And last thing, just a reminder, you can always contact us over email or through Ask a Librarian. We're here for you for the rest of the semester, and not only for English 2, but for all of your classes. So we care about you, we miss you, so please don't hesitate to contact us if you have questions.